The 2025 Kia Sorento arrives with a bold new attitude, refined comfort, and advanced technology that firmly positions it as one of the strongest contenders in the midsize SUV market. Known for its versatility and value, the Sorento has continuously evolved, and the 2025 model pushes that evolution further with sharper design, improved performance, and a focus on family-friendly practicality. From the outside, the Sorento immediately commands attention. Kia's evolving design language is clear through its aggressive front fascia, featuring a wide tiger nose grille, modern LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper that adds depth and presence. The rear is just as impressive, with vertical taillights inspired by the larger Telluride and a more athletic stance that enhances the SUV's rugged yet premium appearance. It's a vehicle that feels just as at home in the city as it does on long road trips or weekend adventures. Inside, Kia elevates comfort and sophistication to a new level. The 2025 Sorento's cabin is more refined, with high-quality materials, improved seating support, and an updated dash layout. The highlight is the new panoramic curved display, which integrates a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen into a single sweeping panel. It looks futuristic, it feels premium, and it makes daily driving far more intuitive. Kia didn't stop at technology. Space and usability remain at the heart of the Sorento's appeal. Available with up to 7 seats, it offers flexibility for families, businesses, or anyone who needs extra room. The second row seats slide and fold easily for better access to the third row, and the cargo area provides generous storage that expands even further when the rear seats are folded flat. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Sorento offers multiple powertrain options to fit different driving needs. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 191 horsepower for dependable everyday driving. For drivers seeking more power, the available 2.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers 281 horsepower, offering strong acceleration and confident highway merging for maximum efficiency. Kia also offers a hybrid and a plug-in hybrid model. The hybrid option combines an electric motor with a 1.6-liter turbo engine for a balanced 227 horsepower while delivering excellent fuel economy. The plug-in hybrid adds more electric capability and significantly improves mileage, making it perfect for drivers who want to minimize fuel costs. Safety remains a key strength. The 2025 Sorento includes the full Kia DriveWise suite, which features forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, smart cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features work together to help drivers stay safe and confident in all conditions. Pricing for the 2025 Sorento starts around $31,000 for the base model, while higher trims and hybrid variants move into the mid-$40,000 range. Considering the Sorento's design, technology, comfort, and performance, it remains one of the best values in its segment. In summary, the 2025 Kia Sorento blends modern style, advanced tech, versatile seating, and efficient performance into a well-crafted package. It's a family SUV that feels premium, drives confidently, and delivers the practicality drivers need for everyday life.